Hey everyone, today we're going to be taking a look at some Olamic knives now available at KnifeCenter.com. Olamic is a family-run knife company that started in 2010 making Damascus fixed blades, and then expanded into tactical folders in 2013. Many of their pieces are handmade one-offs, featuring a variety of high-end natural and synthetic materials and premium steels. They also have some mid-tech offerings such as the Busker and the Wayfarer 24/7 that are an excellent combination of quality and price and are some of the best EDC knives that money can buy. It's always exciting to be able to offer such excellent knives to our customers, no matter what type of knife they're looking for. We have knives like the Voykar HT fixed blade. This knife is inspired by classic hunting knives with some added tactical flair. It features an eye-catching full tang, high-carbon Vanadium Damascus blade with a clip point profile and hollow grind. The handle is made from stacked leather and a cast bronze bolster and pommel that locks into your hand no matter the conditions. It features classic styling and materials, yet is designed and manufactured for hard, real-world use. Another stellar fixed blade Olamic offers is the Kovda. Also featuring gorgeous Damascus steel with a hammer-forged finish, this trailing point blade offers a stunning aesthetic and plenty of belly for skinning and slicing on your next hunting trip. It's paired with a modern handle clad with G10 or carbon fiber, and the thumb ramp makes for a superb grip. Really completing the package for these fixed blades are Italian leather sheaths with articulating belt loops. If you're looking for something a bit more EDC friendly, we have some excellent Olamic folders like the Busker and new variations of their signature mid-tech folder, the Wayfarer 24/7. Like the fixed blades, you can expect some premium materials, such as an M390 stainless steel blade and machined titanium handles. The Busker features a front flipper design and caged bearings that make for addicting smoothness, so if you're a fidgeter like us, you'll enjoy the action on this knife. The Wayfarer is a more traditional flipper that is sized just right for both everyday carry and tactical use. Thanks to agreeable ergonomics, both make great picks to add to your rotation. For those of you that want that true custom look and feel, Olamic also has some hand-engraved models that will knock your socks off. These were done by Andrei Kolesnikov out of Russia, a talented craftsman and the little-known designer of the amazing Busker model. They are unique expressions of art that you can actually hold on to and use, and are extremely rare, being that only a couple of knives come out of his shop each month. If you want to get your hands on one of these fantastic Olamic knives, click the link in the description below, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up with all our knife-related content. In the meantime, don't forget to visit the original and best online catalog of cutlery at KnifeCenter.com, and check back often to see what deals we're running on the best knives and tools on the web.